How to fix Messenger notes not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Messenger notes not showing. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, long press on Messenger application from your screen and tap I button. You will reach on App Info. Select Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Once you clear the cache or clear data, you need to go back to the app settings and find permissions option. Make sure you allow all the necessary permissions for Messenger. If not allowed, tap particular one and tap allow button. Similarly, do the same for every applications. Once you have followed this step, proceed towards the next stage. Restart or reboot your mobile device to apply the changes. Hold the power button on your device. Swipe towards restart. And once you do that, open Google Play Store and look for the updates of Messenger. Tap search icon and search bar. Type in Messenger. If you find any updates, update it to the latest version by tapping update button. Following all the steps, your Messenger notes should start working again. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.